Welcome to the second part of Pondicherry vlogs, and in this vlog we are out after sunset for a night of pubbing, taking a stroll on the famed rock beach and just walk around and go whichever way the route takes us. Picking up from the last vlog, we come to Rock Beach from Eden Beach to catch the sunset, and there are a lot of people here. So we don't get to spend much time here as I'm hit by a terrible migraine and need to return to the hotel so that I can rest after being under the sun for a whole day and then come out later again by night. So it's our second day in Pondicherry today, and it's evening now, and we are going out for a walk and to try a few cafes out maybe. First off, we'll be hitting Rock Beach, and then we'll take a walk around White Town. That place is dotted with a number of cute cafes, and I'll cover as much as I can of it, and then finally we'll settle down at a cafe which catches our fancy. So let's see how it goes. Rock Beach gets bustling by night with both tourists and locals thronging the place to catch the sunset and the cool sea breeze that sways about the place. It also has a lot of restaurants facing the beach, so finding a place for dinner or pub for grabbing a couple of drinks is quite easy as well. After spending a few hours at the spot, we head out to White Town again, which as expected takes on quite a happening feel by night with bright lights, low to moderate traffic, busy shops and tons of pedestrians. So today is our third day in Pondy, and we've changed our room. This is how the new guest house looks like, and we're pretty happy with this one. And after winding up all of the day's work, now we're setting out again to go to this place called Zuka, which is a chocolate bakery kind of a place, or should I say which specializes in chocolate. Nothing like chocolate bakery. It specializes in chocolate, and although I'm not such a chocolate lover anymore, you can say that I've de-addicted myself of chocolates, but I'd still love to give that place a shot and see if it appears any tempting to me. And then we'll be going out, finding a place for our dinner, and that's it for tonight. Not getting really adventurous.
can give me that one. Forest cake.
Also you can try this.
After giving in and purchasing a bunch from Zuka's, we were on the lookout for a new pub, preferably the kind where we could also have a good dinner. We went from place to place because if one of them had no servers around, the other was too crowded for our mood. And then we finally landed in this pub called Flaming Dragons and we chose to stay. Watch me eat now, act like I don't know that the camera is pointing at me. So, doing a low-key mukbang. To wrap it up, there were tons of things that we couldn't do this time around, like visit Orville, go for a boat ride, which I'll definitely do when I return to Pondy. Also, I attempted scuba for the first time and it went horribly wrong and has become a story material, sort of an incident which I might make a vlog about some other time. So let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comment section and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.